online shoppers? I've got the bag with the smile, so let's unbox and see what's inside. I ordered this awesome little travel sewing kit because I wanted something small. This one here weighs only 4.5 ounces. I don't even think I'd know I had it in my purse if I didn't see it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now there are a wide variety of sizes of this, and you can basically pick a size that fits the needs that you have. This one here is the small one, and it gives you 16 different thread colors. I like that they give you extras of the most commonly used colors, like you get 2 rolls of white, 2 rolls of cream, a navy and a black and a gray. Those are your basics for just about any repair, and then you have all these other beautiful colors in here too. Now another thing that's nice is this little kit includes a thimble, and that is something that I have come to depend on when I sew. I hate when the needle pokes through your skin, and I don't mean like I poke myself with the needle this way. I mean when I'm trying to push the needle through the material, and instead of it going through the material, the back end comes through my finger, and that is not fun. Now I am frankly surprised by this. This is an awesome little measuring tape. This is as high quality measuring tape as the one I have on my sewing table downstairs. It's got the great little metal edge to give it some weight and something for you to hang on to. It gives you measurement in inches as well as in centimeters. And this measuring tape is 5 feet long, which is a length that I think would help with just about any project that you are working on. And I love that it's such a great quality. This is just like the tape I use at home. In addition to these things, you get a really nice little stitch ripper, and look at how great this is. When you take the stitch ripper out of the case, this is kind of a short little handle to hang on to, but what I do is I just turn it around and pop it into the handle, and then you actually have something that's a really good comfort level for operating because you're not so tiny that you have to cramp your hand up. This is a really nice little tool. You also get a really nice set of embroidery scissors. Now these are tiny, they're great for getting into those little tight spaces for clipping threads, and these are really, really sharp. They look like they could even cut through denim. Let me feel the edge here. Oh yeah, definitely very sharp. Now you also get a really nice little package of dressmaker's pins, and something I love about this is they give you a variety of different colors. How many of you have forgotten to take a pin out because it blended right in with the fabric? I love that the contrasting colors can be used so that I always see if I did manage to get all the pins out of my project. Now, as well as that, there is also not one, but 2 needle threaders in here, which is great. And if you've never had to thread a needle by hand, you've never lived in frustration. These make your job so much easier. It's great to have some backup buttons, and you get this cute little container of backup buttons, which is awesome. And this is a really cool feature. This is a disc of needles. Now you get 30 assorted needles in here. And what I love about this disc is you can keep all your needles in here. They're all sorted by size, and when you need one, all you do, there's a notch in the bottom of this case, and all you do is rotate it until you come to the opening of the size of needle that you want. So if I wanted this needle right here, all I would do is open it, and then out slides the needle just like that. When I'm done with the needle, I just have to put it back in the case, give it a little tap, and spin the top right back there so that the needles are now all securely locked in place and ready for me the next time I need it. As an added bonus for all the value in this kit, all the tools, I love the elastic bands to keep everything secured, nice and organized. It's great to know that when I open up my little kit, things aren't going to go flying out because they're securely, firmly held in place with these nice little elastic bands to secure the thread, to secure the tools. It's really a nice setup. This is thoughtfully designed, and like I said before, it only weighs under 5 ounces. So you can zip this up, put it in your purse, put it in your glove compartment, and you have a great little travel sewing kit for emergencies, or even for somebody who's maybe just learning how to sew. Great little thoughtful gift. I'm very happy with this nice little sewing kit. I think it's going to be great to have on hand, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.